Namaskar. My code is D88 and I will speak in the favor that amidst the wake of pandemic, it is a good idea to reopen school and colleges. As we all know that due to widespread of COVID-19 and to prevent its widespread, the government of India has imposed a national lockdown for more than 3 months. And due to it, all the schools and colleges were shut down and online teaching were supposed to be done. After few more months, the condition is getting worse and worse. But due to increased economy and to make it a new normal, government has issued certain unlock steps and today we are facing through the unlock 5 step. In that the government has given permission to state government to whether they wish to open the schools and colleges in that state according to situation they can. Certain states of India have opened the schools and colleges and certain are still not to open and only continue the digital learning. But opening of schools and colleges is a good idea because as we all know that the mental condition of students along with all people has disturbed due to this COVID-19, and as today we are moving towards a new normal and we are considering that wearing mask, maintaining social distancing, then using sanitizer, this all has become a daily normal hour, and we all know that we all does not sure that when will this pandemic go, when we all will be safe, when will be its medicine accurate will be available, and when it will be safe to cure COVID-19. So the as we are all moving towards a new normal, we all must also support the reopening of school and colleges because slowly everything gradually has been started. The malls, then cinema halls, then uh, railways and bus and tourism and etc. Other all such activities have been started. The temples have been opened. The festival and celebration have also been allowed with certain restriction and door opening. And because other way is that if the schools and colleges are not reopening, then it will affect the education system because in our country each and every child does not have an access to smartphone because for having digital education and smartphone is a basic requirement, but all students are not having smartphone. Next thing is internet. The internet connectivity and the structural system is not as much available as much it is to be, so we cannot continue the digital education because all are not having access to it, and those who are having access also they are also facing its certain limitations because first of all when we a child is learning on smartphone, he has to continuously stare his eyes and sit on smartphone for more than 4 hours in a day to do its homework or for online classes. He has to sit and he has to also submit it on smartphone. Other things come is about test because unit test, half yearly test, every test is important and every test is taken. But when we are talking about an online test, what is its guarantee that it is only done by child? Because when there are so many issues can face in internet due to poor connectivity, the phone gets switched off, or due to connection issue, or the parents may help their children to score good in examination, so exams, online exams are not a good option. So reopening of school and colleges is must for having the good education. As today we are moving towards a new normal, if everything is open, then we must also think about opening of schools and colleges gradually because when will this pandemic go, nobody is sure about it. So it is much necessary to reopen school and colleges because students will also get engaged, and because mentally they will be feel relaxed when schools will be opened because sitting at home they had become studios, they are not liking to do activity, they are seated in home, and if schools and colleges will not reopen then they will be get bored sitting at home and their eyesight will also be affected. So it's good idea to reopen school and colleges. Thank you.